to use a downloaded add-on, you need to be absolutely sure that the add-on's bona fide and doesn't contain any malware. So you just have to make absolutely certain before you do this. But yes, simply go into Edit, Preferences, Add-ons and Install the zip file. Now the one I'm using here to generate bookshelves appears in a normal place compared with the mesh and curve extras which put themselves into the top menu. Most add-ons will occur here on the right. So they're very easy to use. You can control a lot of their variables, as can see on here. Two things we're going to play with the rest of this exercise are the materials for the pages and the materials for the spine. There are two materials allocated to different places in the objects. So we create a new material, pages, and add it to the pages slot. And then we create a new material called cover and add it to the cover, and then as an extra interesting thing we'll use this random value per object node. Feed it into a color ramp, so the random variable goes from 0 to 1, so the color ramp will map the values from 0 to 1 to a series of different colours. Each book will end up with a different colour. You see there's different shades of grey at the moment, but we can change the hue saturation value range, and then it will interpolate the hue between and the saturation value between each of our stop points. It's a useful, very easy technique to generate a range. I mean, the colour ramp is just a very flexible node generally.